Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're going to show you how to make one of the most iconic and flavorful Indian dishes, biryani. Made with fragrant basmati rice and spiced chicken or lamb, biryani is a delicious and satisfying meal that's perfect for any occasion. In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of making homemade biryani from scratch, including tips and tricks to make sure your biryani turns out perfectly cooked every time. So, let's get started and learn how to make this classic Indian dish right in your own kitchen. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make biryani. Ingredients: 2 cups basmati rice, 1 pound bone-in chicken or lamb, cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 large onion, sliced thinly, 3 to 4 green chilies, slit lengthwise, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons biryani masala, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, ½ cup plain yogurt, ½ cup chopped fresh mint and cilantro leaves, ½ cup fried onions, 2 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter, 3 cups water, salt to taste. Instructions: soak the basmati rice in water for 30 minutes. Drain and set aside. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat the ghee over medium-high heat. Add the sliced onions and fry until golden brown and crispy. Add the green chilies and ginger garlic paste to the pot and fry for 2 to 3 minutes, until fragrant. Add the chicken or lamb to the pot and cook for 5 to 6 minutes, until browned on all sides. Add the biryani masala, turmeric powder, and salt to the pot, and stir well to combine. Add the yogurt, mint and cilantro leaves, and fried onions to the pot, and stir well. Add the soaked rice to the pot, and stir well to coat the rice with the spices and sauce. Add the water to the pot, and bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, until the rice is cooked through and the liquid has been absorbed. Remove the pot from the heat and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Fluff the biryani with a fork and serve hot with raita or yogurt sauce. Enjoy your delicious homemade biryani.